In the quiet corners of our world, where mountains touch the sky and grass sways, live some of Earth's most ancient and gentle survivors, the sheep. For thousands of years, sheep have shaped our landscapes and lives. From the icy Scottish Highlands to the sunlit valleys of New Zealand, they've adapted to every kind of land and weather. These humble creatures are more than just cute faces.
They are among the oldest companions of humankind, humble, gentle, and full of stories you've probably never heard. Every spring, new life arrives in the fields. Within moments of birth, a lamb takes its first breath.
Are you ready to meet the incredible hearts behind those innocent eyes?
Within moments of birth, a lamb takes its first breath, shaky, fragile, but determined. The bond between mother and lamb is unbreakable. She recognizes her baby by smell and sound, even among hundreds.
It's love, pure and silent, in its oldest form.
When the flock moves, mothers call their lambs, a soft ma that only their babies can recognize. Each call, each bleat, a language of care, comfort, and belonging.
Did you know that a sheep's voice is as unique as a human fingerprint?
Childhood in the meadow is full of joy. Young lambs play tag, leap in the air, and even challenge their friends to little headbutt duels.
This playful energy helps them grow strong and learn balance, speed, and confidence.
Sometimes they fall, but like little heroes, they get right back up. Because in the life of a lamb, every stumble is just another dance step. Beneath all that fluff lies one of nature's most incredible materials, wool.
Shearing doesn't hurt. It's like giving the sheep a summer haircut, and it keeps them healthy, light, and happy.
Sheep's wool is the ultimate sustainable fashion material. Soft, warm, and eco-friendly.
From haute couture to everyday wear, sheep's wool is the unsung hero of the fashion world.
From the fields to our homes, their gift wraps us in warmth, reminding us of the bond we share.
Sheep are true masters of adaptation. From icy mountains to sun-scorched deserts, they've learned to thrive everywhere.
Sheep are expert grazers, and their selective eating habits are shaping the very fabric of our ecosystems.
By choosing which plants to eat, they're influencing the diversity of plant species, creating habitats for other animals, and even sequestering carbon.
With over 1,000 breeds across the planet, no two flocks of Dorper sheep are ever the same. Sheep can recognize up to 50 different faces, both sheep and humans, and remember them for years.
Did you know that a single sheep can grow up to 8 pounds of wool a year?
For thousands of years, humans and sheep have shared a timeless partnership. A shepherd's call, a dog's bark, and the flock's gentle trust.
The shepherd's care is a testament to the enduring relationship between humans and animals.
And a reminder of the importance of compassion and kindness. Each move is like choreography, a dance of instinct, loyalty, and love.
Did you know? A single border collie can control up to 400 sheep at once, using just eye contact and whistle commands.
As night wraps the fields, the world slows down. Mothers and lambs rest close, hearts beating in perfect rhythm. In the wild, danger never sleeps. But for every predator in the dark, there's a guardian standing between fear and peace.
In this silence, life feels simple again. Safe, warm, and timeless.
Seasons pass, and the cycle continues. Lambs grow into mothers, mothers guide new young.
Maybe that's what makes them so special, Rome. They remind us that peace doesn't roar. It bleats softly.
Year after year, generation after generation trolling, the hills echo with their voices.
Join us for more informative and interesting content. Subscribe, like, and share.